Hi, my name's Amy from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have the gorgeous Land Rover Defender SE 110. This vehicle comes with a 2 litre D240 diesel engine alongside an 8-speed automatic transmission. This particular model comes in the gorgeous Gondwana Stone and has some fantastic spec, including these LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, 20-inch 5-split-spoke alloys with a contrasting diamond-toned finish, and even privacy glass with black roof rails to finish off its sleek exterior. Heading to the rear of the vehicle now, as you can see, you have a manually powered tailgate. Inside, you easily have enough storage space for all of your personal items, 2 large suitcases, or even a set of golf clubs. You do, however, have the option to fold your rear seats to further enhance your capacity if necessary. Hopping into the back of the vehicle, in the centre you have your rear vents. You have Meridian sound system for the highest quality listening experience, and here are your beautifully designed perforated ebony leather seats with beneficial isofix points and even a central armrest with fixed twin cup holders. Hopping into the front, you have the same interior environment continue, along with robust textile features. Now panning towards your heated, fully electronically adjustable memory front seats. Above, you have a generously sized panoramic roof, idyllic for summer days to give your vehicle a more open feel. On your driver's side door, you can find your electrically powered wing mirrors and windows, along with your memory seat function, ensuring every journey can be as comfortable as your last. Your part leather steering wheel has your phone book to make and take those hands-free calls, voice recognition system, lane assist, and even speed limiter, perfect for motorway driving. You can access and adjust the features on your interactive driver display just above, and as you'll see, there's a variety of different drop-downs within each section. This vehicle has done 34,707 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your main display, you're up to date with the latest infotainment features. Further in, you can find your 3D surround camera system for both on-road, off-road and towing purposes, making reversing and manoeuvring much easier and safer to do. Your voice recognition system, ensuring you can keep your head up and eyes on the road when making any commands. Or even valet mode, keeping all of your personal details safely hidden away if and when necessary. Just below, on your climate control, you can individually change the temperature in the cabin for both driver and passenger, or opt to sync this as a pair. Dictate the direction of airflow, and of course adjust the airflow setting itself. At the push of a button, you can access your heated seating, again individually adjustable for both driver and passenger, which can also be displayed and adjusted on your main screen. This model does also come with terrain response, with a variety of different functions, making this vehicle perfect for any driving conditions you may encounter.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year warranty along with roadside assistance. Please call us on 01785 899 446 or inquire online.